Conor Michael Duff here from GA Handball, reigning World Wall Ball Champion. We're here at the UL Sports Arena in Limerick for the 2024 World Wall Ball Championships. Let's take a look inside at the Sports Arena. We are inside the arena where the World Wall Ball Championships will be taking place, with 10 courts running simultaneously throughout the duration of the event. It is a tournament Ireland has not seen in many years, promises to be a good one, so be sure not to miss out.
Six of 30 is our national game and it's our heritage, and I love it.
There's no time for breaks or anything, it's all survival of the fittest in the big court.
By 30 encompasses all that's good about handball. It's where legends come alive.
Agus fáilte roimh ar imagine an seo chuig Park an Croca chuig an Ionad nua seasca féid trocha an seo. Courts na Stalin an court ar gliadar an Theatre of Dreams raibh seo ag Ian Jensen san sean Ionad agus Ionad nua bra an seo chuin. John Branagh an seo libh man creatóirt in éanaach le Aisling O'Keefe agus tá Cara ambassador de chuid an seasca féid trocha goin aniu. So dús bar ó Cunna Kilceannig tá Ciarán Neary nó Ciarán Nary mar gliadar ar síos a Kilceannig as Talbot's inch, an sin tá Shane Donegan ó Cliath I Cunna Kilceannig. Agus sin as chun mí tá Gary McConnell agus Ryan Carroll agin, Bútóirí fe 3. Bert Fair as ceanan se chun mí, club bhfuil tradiisiún láidir an sin de chuid an seasca féid trocha. Agus tá léir an céad scoil le seachtain seo, agus cluthe eile de seachtain na dhé sin nach I dús bar Ashton Kerry ceapún faoi cluthe seo an dóileat go mbeidh an bua ag chun mí nó ag Cunna Kilceannig.
Oh, it's going to be a hard one, I think, really. I suppose you would say Meath technically are the favourites because they've been here before, I suppose, many times, and obviously the winners last year as well. So that's what you'd be thinking. But at the same time, I wouldn't be rested in Ciarán Neary and Shane Dunn. Really good, both big alley players, and play a lot of big alley, in particular, I suppose, Ciarán Neary.
agus déna daoine dearmar ar Ciarán Neary óim go chéile go raibh sé 3 fointe amach ó craibh ile éar na bhógan a bhílas a chuid ag agus é gimmert in ental de Michael Duxie Walsh an Lake Hain. Bhí ar cúpla pointe amach agus an sin bhí an bó ag chun de Baile Cliath, Carol Brown agus Owen Kennedy an lá sin, so bhí sé congra clór chun craobhile éireann a bheith aige. So tá an taithí sin aige agus an sin Branniger Shane Dunn an sin fear óg Leiser an sin atá tar éis seall a chaamh heil in Minnesota ag gimmert, well, dad fé fead an cuid a smó ach bhí sé bhí ceanna aige a gcónaí ar an seasca féit trocha tá trí craobh na hoscoile bóte ag Shane Dunn ó galbhís a 7 chuig galbhís a 9 agus mar chun an coronavirus ag teach an sin a galbhís a fé bheith ceathrú ceann as a chéile bhainte amach aige. So imóid an Scot a chud an seasca féit trocha iad ach seans mai go méid rud ag an eile le teach ó chun na míon seo an taithí sin atá acu. Cibh craobh tá bóte acu go dtí seo lena chéile, 3 cín lena chéile agus ribh sin níos mó craobh bóte ag Brian Carroll in ental Tom Sheridan fear eile as ceanna sé chun na mí, so Tás an goléir na skillanna atá na lad seo feicr an láideachtar na lad sin agus iad ag taobh suas an sin.
Even watching the Nationals like 2 weekends ago in Wexford, like I was watching Gary play and I was also watching Brian Carroll play, and they were very good. Like Brian Carroll was just flying every single ball, just hitting it so well, really going for his kill shots. He did win the 6x30 Nationals there 2 weeks ago, or maybe 3.
Golf shot no hinna voice, yeah.
But yeah, no, like really just really well played, very good player, like. And so was Gary. Like the boys seem to be super fit and well able. So I actually think this is going to be a great game. I think it's going to be a tight one.
Cínta, no ein team leat agus ag brathnú Brian Carroll sin bhí méid léhann aglah rinne sé I rinne seachtainna átar Louis sé gur bé an seasca fé trocha an cód Liathróid Láimhe gur air leis. I chuirte sin iontas ar bithir an caiim rá ceap mé ag gcónaí gur stíl seasca fé trocha agus é fiú gimmert sa dad fé fethe. So is dóil an go maiid siad an Jackar chun an bua all our hope.
It's going to be good for one and
not
so
so
good for the
go
other.
my class aigen ag chun na Kilkenny an seo mar sol dún mar luí mé níos luíthe Cara ambassador de chuid an seasca féit seachas an na scill na gléir acu an seo agus an taithí mai acu chumá.
Cúpla sean ócail.
Sa fan go bhecimid.
Aisling, cúpla sean ócail.
Agus ag breanúir Kilkenny an deidir seach na Chicata bhí idir lánsásta seach amachchas an clé crua sin.
Semi-final, senior semi-final. In serving for me is Brian Carroll and Gary McConnell, and then for receiving for Kilkenny is Kieran Nairn and Shane Dunn.
Here we go. Let the fun begin.
So our Multar Ospalia clé.
21s and a tie-break to 11 if necessary.
So Multar sin Frank Dady farewell an taithí aige ar bheith one Multarta.
What a serve.
Yes, and sure, bhí sin sin freistalínta
Spin off that.
Serving nil.
agus nóir braithníonn tú ar an cuairt tá sé hard a bheith tapí ag an prád le cín eile típan na tíre. Ó, bhí sé beag nach ann ní dóile mé nó freab sé sos nó bhí a cír an éirí sin é hain. Níor luirg sé é so.
Who's going to go for the kill shot first? You could see them all in there on that first line. Just like who's going to go for the shoot.
Beidir iad nerví sé glóir tosú amach an seo sa chéad clé.
That serve is flying off the wall. Oh, lovely kill by Shane. Yeah, lovely shot by Shane.
Dir thug sé an luas go léir amach as an shot sin agus ag etal síos.
That was a lovely lob toss, really nicely done.
So Kieran ó cumad an Liathróid suas an seo seachas an kill. Smuoin of maithas dóilm.
I'm just trying to remember how Gary and Brian played last year. I thought Gary was on the left last year.
Tá ceart agus.
But maybe with the whole national win, that's why Brian's on the left today. But
Better.
I think that's what the way it was before anyway.
0
Maybe I'm
serving
wrong
3.
now, but I think Gary was on the left last year, no?
No, ein team lads. Stoilm go sé an.
Just mixing things up.
Yeah, síl ar head nu ag seach. Béad go nachríonn sé tuis go bhfuil Kitó go chun Kilkenny an sin ar taobh lábha clé Ciarán Neary. No nor tátóig immer tonight Kitó athraíonn sin an cléthe go homlán go háirithe cléthe dúbalta.
That ball
Side
is
away.
flying around, isn't it?
Well,
So lively.
bhí Frank tar éis sé chumad Dear Griffin
3 serving 0.
Beog
It's just flying around.
go mai an sin.
Hard luck.
So Dear
Mark,
tá sé na
four.
clach piece beag
Four serving 0.
So cruú seach chuig an cléthe seo. Seo is dóil an gurbééis seo an Kate Craven ar immer Ciarán agus Shane lena chéile sa seaca féit trocha. So
It's a great shot by Gary.
is ahrú go mai hé ach
They're just playing such a
Mark,
great game.
5.
Serving
5 serving
like
0.
really, really
tá sé
well.
immer sa bhealachim gur cordó a bheith imrethe.
I think he's going to go for it here again. Oh, maybe not. Oh, and this is why Brian won the Nationals 2 weeks ago. He literally was going
Mark,
for every
6,
single shot.
6,
Given the chance,
0.
he is going to shoot.
Yeah, there are dollars tá chunan mí a bhd níos fear ghlach na kills ag an stad seo na clé ar aonos. So tá ahrú beag ag tastal ó Kilkenny an seo.
Spin off that.
Á mí an sin ó
weird.
Ciarán. Dúir frab sé a bailach nach raibh sé tú leis.
Mark, 7 serving 0.
The Mead boys are just playing very well, aren't they, together? They're just very dominant, and
Well-
that serve is brilliant.
Tá an tuiscin sin atrathú nach bhfuil. Is an berta go cá mai an duine eile gaciile orintanta le péir an nua chun Kilkenny an seo. Orintanta tá níos mó taithíon agus tuiscin de castáil.
That's a great shot by Ciarán. It's a lovely shot by Shane, really deep court.
Well,
Oh, he went for it.
Second
All
hand,
right, yeah.
7 serving 0.
Nach mar ag brathnú sús chuig an spéir an sin ní roiir sás leis an ceann sin.
No, definitely not.
Seans go inis chun freastal Gary ag an céadúir.
Oh, lovely
Shot
shot.
an scóin sin
shot.
Ciarán.
Side away, 0 serving 7.
Chuir seach chuig an cúin ar cléis.
Kilkenny just need more. I think they need to just go for their shots inside as much as they can, like really shoot and go for it, because they're going to keep shooting no matter what, it looks like. Yeah, there's Brian again.
Second hand, 0-7.
Is there gan líro sin orintanta ag prabe meach nach méid gá ag tanú leis tuisgúil an cuairt.
Foul serve.
Có tapí sin agus an líro có beo sin.
It is very warm in that court as well. It is roasting in here.
Mark,
Too high.
Sin Kilkenny
One
gan is sér
serving
scór
seven.
sásta gan ní féin na hocrú sús.
Once you hear that timbre, you just know it's out.
Sin níos fearr chun na Kilkenny gan is seo chur chun na mí faoi bhrú an sin.
Mark,
Yes,
2
definitely.
serving 7.
Rís fecinn tú an líro sin ag prabe meach nach mé há tanú leis. Céan Jackar de Ciarán seo ach
He's a
an
lovely
Kitó.
left hand.
Oh yeah. An Kitó sin tá sé lán ábhata iad a scúba amach.
Brian is really meeting the ball, isn't he? He's really kind of pushing them back by kind of meeting everything he can. Oh, lovely fly shot by Ciarán.
Well, dar nó sin an difriíocht ulmhór idir an dad fé fethe agus an seaca fé seogar. Gur gáda an líro de cloch agus í a gatas. Cai tú úsáid
Oh,
amach
good
an
shot,
ball
Shane.
sin shot ionad an sin sin.
Good shot.
Agus supró is sin sin stop an cléthe inis.
Mark, 3
Shouldn't be
serving
gone in his
7.
formation.
They're the shots that he has to go for. Like they have to shoot, because Mead will shoot first. So that, like, have to try and go for them as much as they can.
Seans níos de Ciarán bhil se an ghlacha. Go trí las a réon os seans eile dó beidir. Tá ná mega. Agus ghlachan sé leis. Seán ionanta go sin ó Ciarán níorí
They're
ar
making the
an
comeback.
lách.
Mark,
They're
4,
making the comeback. That was a
4-7.
Lovely shot. Lovely shot by Ciarán.
Casan nádóra chur ag Shane ar an líro an sin. Sin an etitaréis ach tá sé ann. Oh, shot and score and Shin O'Gary. It bound to us as an ball Taven Shin could
Side away.
Glock and Liathróid.
It just
Seven,
goes so
serving
well off the
four.
corners, like especially when you go for that kind of a shot, like it's gone. There's no getting it. Shane is super fast, but there's no getting him when it dies like that. I just think the Meath boys seem to just be. No, sorry, I say it, but and then he
Second
they
hand.
seem to be meeting the ball more. Do you know they're kind of taking
7 serving 4.
Commentators curse.
Yeah, definitely commentators curse there by him not taking on the flight, but they just seem to be meeting more ball in the air. I think they Kenny. But then
Mark,
they're just kinda in the right
8-4.
Shin Frassel on Afik to call you in a big
Oh yeah, very good. Yeah.
Gahars Cliath double you know.
It's coming around. It's
Jake
just
Chuck team Cole
very
Toppy
well
Shin
done.
Chuck.
Mark,
Either
9 serving 4.
Kane Dinniger Court and Leroy the Glacka.
The Meath boys have definitely been in here practicing those serves. You can just
Come
tell
on,
with
iron
the
scale,
spin.
alright, yeah.
Oh, what a shot. They're just great shots. Fantastic.
Mark,
stuff
10 serving 4.
Ooh, lovely one. He just has such a lovely swing at the ball, like when he,
11
he,
serving
he's the same
4.
6-30 watched him play in the Nationals. Just everything just put away, like when he gets his shot, like especially on that second line, it's gone. The serve is just setting up.
Yeah,
it's just serve and kill. It's the perfect way to play handball.
Tá Shane extract leis an count agus tá sé roll jacket
12 serving 4.
As he gets it so. Sin fragran níos fear an sin ó Shane is táil an lá play úsáid ní scuba rash. Scuba mac gamai sin here on here let it get dog. Leon sin contos at the table of Adesha.
Unlucky.
Mark, 13 serving 4.
Sin fragran Vodney's fair and sin
Oh
ó
yeah,
Shane,
great
yeah.
shot. Well done, Gary. Great game. Well.
Sin smeen of my ó Shane done on Shin. Count
He's
Jacker
really
and Shin.
pushing them back. He's really trying to push them back.
Because near
Mark,
a couple of
14 serving 4.
Leroy the Vula, she Jacker a Vula and Shin.
Talbot's into the court that.
Mark, 15 serving 4.
Oh, Vodney's here. Chance of Kieran, yeah. Dari Lesh.
Gary's got it. That was a great kick by Kieran.
Brad Nigar and Malacan win a Leroy Shin a Casa team. Agus he Shin on Casa can nod or.
Oh yeah, flying around this.
Mark, 16 serving 4.
Brian is just so consistent. Like literally, he just shoots and it's just unbelievable. Like he's just literally like anything. Like oh wow, great get. And like he's still bringing it back so far. Let's see now, Kieran.
Sween of Maya Reynolds. Oh, the sween of Kieran Shin of Kieran area.
Yeah.
They're frab shay Ictavna.
17 serving 4.
And Shin Gamalesh Gill.
Oh, like
Dear kicking out me Kieran.
You have to go for it before he does. Oh, good pass shot. Well done, Gary. Oh, just about in.
I'm shaking my Shane and Shin. August fake and Shin.
Wow.
Come here and version which Etzel team on the court.
Great rally. Great rally.
Or no spookalog up to
Okay.
Great rally.
18 serving 4.
Well, he did it for many, many years on the right with Tom Sheridan. Even in 40 by 20, we've seen him drive many times as well. And it works. It definitely works.
Play the ball again.
Yeah, vi Chackle Kayla and Shin.
Yeah, but yeah. Safer to play it again.
Ah, yeah.
18, serving
Definitely.
4.
Kinda Mayo, Frank Dady and
Yeah.
Shin style.
Oh, coming at Frank.
Play over.
Here we're
Go
telling
again.
Chuck the nish.
Coming at Frank.
18-4.
It's just. Oh,
Foul serve.
I was just
Gone
about
in.
to say it's such a great serve, and
Big on in roll either and Shin.
Yeah,
Nish
too
chance
hard.
to Kieran can you Etis. It's Diary Dash.
it's just
it's
a lovely
perfect.
fly
Yeah.
shot. Just a beautiful shot. Like the
19,
two meat boys,
serving
they're
4.
flying everything when they get the opportunity. Like
The end in a tag Gary and Shaska Fitz Rock Ellen Bratninger the lads show one in the meet. Touch Samalik and her cord over him.
it's just a really, really good serve. Oh, let's see.
Good
good shot.
Shin needs to hear Shane done it. So Shin comes to Thaga. From a creation splank Shin at Echo.
4, serving 19.
Couple orange, yeah. It's a clear shock. In anyone Shin, you're not Cara cooling Banta Makak was quite sheet. Dear Keith Hain a hooker with shocks a clear shock. Is Nis Mo Markin of Banta Mak Martan Comasaku Kirkalor. Ethel and Shin on Lee Road is a Malakan will she like Bola.
Who's going to kill it first?
Well,
That's what I'm
on
waiting
Kate
for.
in a talk.
Oh, what an awkward hop, and
Yeah.
Gary's going to go first. Oh,
Will
unlucky.
she Kieran or me on Shin?
Unlucky.
Second hand.
So in Ground Riley Shill Kyleton Shin and Átha in her Frab on Lee Road Shin. Go Harvard to come in the meek on the raw.
4, serving
On she gets
19.
us Shane agus Kieran and Shin Yerusa Kukirv in Dennis Fiarkan e Glaka.
Shane was passing on some advice there, not sure what he said, but bit of a team talk. Since there's no timeouts, it's
Well,
what a
Shin.
shot! What a
Shin and comes to
shot!
talk Shane Dunn's a combination no the Shin
5, serving
Whatever he
19.
said worked.
Is it right?
Sorry.
Fog and Lee Road
Hold on,
it's
hold on,
Mario
hold on.
me.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what happened there. Not sure why Gary's giving out.
The lads weren't back when I called the score. Okay, so. What?
I don't know.
Hold on, lads.
I got rid of hookers and shelter because I'm covering scale go
Lads,
Brian
okay,
Derrick
where are you
Gordon for
about
sure.
silly things? Okay, it's
Bit of
5,
attention.
it's 5,
Bit of
serving
attention.
19, second hand.
Frank
Every,
Hooker
oh yeah,
Second
he's
serve,
sorted.
sorry.
As
in,
every point
you've
counts.
2 hands, but it's the second person
They're
serving.
making sure of that. It's a really good serve coming around. Not really sure what they were fighting about there.
No, and you're holding me. Does she jack her on Cora, Clustalish and McCall at Anston's courts?
Side away.
Good shot, clever shot.
19, serving 5.
To be fair to Gary, he said, was he blocking him? Oh, let's see now. Oh, lovely shot.
Oh, cool in the courts of home, Mike. That's a shit harder than
20,
Jack.
game ball,
Especially
serving
from that far
5.
back.
Oh, yeah.
They're just going for every opportunity. It's a lovely shot. It's when it's dropping down the top of you like that, it's such a hard shot.
Well, that's a comer and scale go
Goes with the
top
ball,
of
Kieran.
Castolo come in the main show.
Just keep it warm.
Oh yeah.
He thought him
5,
to
yeah.
Hane if it took on shin.
I think Penny will come back fighting though. I really do think.
Well,
you
Tom
know,
comes
that's,
so good. Tom
you
Attrition
know,
on Splunk shin at Echo,
Yeah.
Kupla Oranish.
Yeah, they did, yeah.
And then Lee Hold Maraheg, Shane Dunn and Shin, August Kieran Neary and Kit Oak and Shin, Tom comes so good. Can you have Antamak? So by Sus Kupla no me Dagon and Ish, Gadiga Dagon and Dara Clay, August Fangavek made the my Fragger Egan, Conde Kilcanig, Kupla no me, Van Lin. agus fáilte arás in don dara Cliath don céad. Cliath le ceannas an seo idir chundin na mí agus chundé céil ceannig, so chundin mí har a bheith láid sa cé Cliath sin agus an bú fáilte acu ar scóir de fé héna chuig. Ach sína go bhfuil níos móla teachtas Ciarán Neary agus Shane Dunn an seo, so ag brad na uirtha an bheith seachna se chatte. Bhí ar lán as a teachtamach agus Cliath crua in ag Gavin Buggy agus Keith Armstrong, so chuis sin ag an trío Cliath. Ach bhí an lá agus trididir go dtíon chun an trío Cliath ghlach a héna go trí, so fág a bheicimid, beidir go mbeidh trío Cliath le teachta gúna seo.
That was a great start.
Ag fearn eile, tá sé deachar momentum sin a stoppa. Tá momentum thar a bheith tábhaach sa seaca féit tro, ag dómháil sin
3-0.
I think especially in the beginning, like when you get a lead going, it's just really hard to kind of pull back when the momentum really turns your way. And I suppose the fact that there's no timeouts as well, you know, it does kind of add to the pressure, I suppose. But no, geez, Kilkenny are playing well.
Don't know, sin defeat Ulvorder and David Fell because it's shot.
Oh, what a shot.
Shin, get out.
What a shot. Great shot.
She hard of a sauce, let's just count Shin. Because Shin and Emer took here on here, that's all look at Kilkenny.
Interesting, like Shane is really lightened to serve. Compared, like he was hitting it nearly harder the first game. Obviously, it was a tactic they thought might work. It seems to be working. Commentator's curse.
Check the ball there. With his leg.
Commentator's curse just gave him there now. It said it was all going so well.
Action.
0 saving 4.
Bunch of Maka Kilkenny and Shin. Who's my? Oh, it was Frab my and Shin. I'll touch a scoop and mark it. I was in a shot there and get to the Ciarán.
Oh, he's got it, I'd say. Oh, that's a lovely pass shot. Nothing Shay could do about that one. It's a lovely pass shot.
Mark.
They're going to lose a shot to Marcus and Nero. They can no make carrots. Chance of Ciarán will. Scum Shay Maka Fadi. The commanded of Ruam Ak.
Oh, lovely shot.
Shouldn't come as the Tigers.
They're really shooting
second hand.
And that's what they need to do. They need to keep going for those every time. Because if they don't shoot first,
foul ball.
Owen team, lad. If you come into me again, we're to go rampux okay to Cliath Shin, so. Tan fin of Shinnick Tastal, oh, come the mechanics of Dara Cliath. Gone on street, can force a Kurdish and trio Cliath.
Lovely pass shot. Lovely pass shot.
But you did I've had me Cliath, so she did Curran Lewis, Stats Lero, August Elm to Ella, Tashi de Glocka. No, some markers. So, sure, Vish mine, Shane or Shane Douglas. Turkey can't Shane Fluke it. Shane and Clapper team will come to your shot.
Oh. Well done, Shane.
Come around, scale, go Shane at Tamont on Emmerich shot. Sure, Roddy Mayanish.
Jesus, great rally. They're keeping everything up on the wall. Oh, good shot.
Agus Gaukrod Fiocke, Brian Carroll. Oh, agus an Etels Intok Shinnick shot.
Oh, what a way to finish it. What a way to finish it.
One hand off.
But Sean Kutker even Loman Shaskafate struck in the rally Shin.
Still 4 serving 1.
Vi Gaukrod down to count Shin. Vi Fiocke, Vi Shervish Intok, Vi Maru Conan count Shin, Creep now. Agus an Etels my Shinnick shot.
Just picks from corners you wouldn't expect them to get, but they kept getting back up. Fair play. Just a little bit lower Shin. And he'd be rolling out. There we go.
Come a track on Shin or Gary near Shay Gary Ritton count Shin.
5 serving 1.
No, really great game.
Were they going to cross the Gary and Shin later?
Not sure.
Later not well.
I think there's just the Kilkenny side here are fighting more. They want to win this, bring it to a tiebreaker, and I think as well they're just going for their kills. They weren't really doing that at first as much, so it's definitely working. Look at that! What a shot! What a
Agus
shot.
fecinn tú an Durna chocolate and sin kill or
Mark.
sin dunta
Oh,
sin
yeah.
lawn sauce that I mean.
And
Agus
that's
percorba
six.
me.
And that's
Serving
what he
one.
needs to do. Really what he needs to do.
Fec mid goil Kieran occur on Lewis Galera agus an Nyart Galera sin is shocking it in a frastal.
Oh, what a
Piocca
kick.
hínta to sin down.
Oh shit, oh my
Oh, agus tá Brian.
amazing.
Rannig ar sin.
Amazing. How we got that? I don't know. Oh,
better
lucky,
ask for
hard luck,
Commissar
hard
next
luck,
and
hard
shin
luck.
shot
You could
Kilkenny.
see what he was
Slide
going for.
away.
It's the right shot, like. Go for the kill in that corner. It
One
would've been
serving
flawless
six.
if it came off.
Well, Caig make Kilkenny an sauce a lo hen so Darach le hisho. Which in two stalker I get up to Come in scale grow is like a grow the Ravadney sphere and on our Demery there it's a Kate Clare. A Kane Fragger attack on the main shot. Well, who is she on shot yard rain us?
Hand off.
Is she down?
Second hand.
Right to go
One
for it, though, I think,
serving
same
6.
time.
And it's the Kate Clare the Frastal Gary Curras Dove Gmore. Better go well. Conical can try to do that here.
Oh, lovely shot. Jeez, Brian's everywhere, isn't he?
Well. Shouldn't trademark as high Brian Carroll let's go the Fioca.
Check the ball.
He's just everywhere.
One serving 6.
You can just read the game so well. He just seems to be in the right place at the right time.
Shouldn't swing of Mike shocked up here on a chin con account in the Glock
That
because
was a
he
great,
gets it.
yeah, it was a great shot. Lovely drop.
Shin count in some Dean. Shin different
Side
more
away.
either in Shaskafit truckers and
Six
that's if
serving
knock out
I think
the
his
other
one.
drop
Dean.
is so low, you can see why Gary hit it up just to get it up as high as he could on the wall.
Via tall and shin or Flush shin and Dean.
It's
Here
just
on down though.
flying off the back wall, isn't it? Oh, lovely
Oh,
shot, Shane.
easy.
Great stuff.
Mark. 7
They're the shots he
serving
needs
1.
to keep bringing if they want to win this game.
Agus in Ishvek and Midgold Shane occur big on in small Lewis shocks a Leroy. So Kieran now and it fan up there. Chance out of the Kieran issue with up to Shane Prabaka. Who's Panta though? Ethel's my up top Ryan now, come on. This chance to Shane will.
Oh, I thought he was going to shoot. That's what I thought
Better
he was
knock
going
around
to do.
town mega. Up town town Kieran Kirkalor because current shade. Nish that town.
It's a lovely shot. Oh, what a shot.
Agus an
What
Leroy
a
the roller.
shot.
Hand off.
What a shot.
Agus mé brand new team and slew
Score is 7,
Fiona lads
serving
open
1.
the Kilkenny view there toward Bula Wuston shot shin.
But you could just see that like he was gonna like he had like he just read the game. He just was like he's gonna shoot for that corner. I'm gonna run in. I'm gonna pick it.
Play the ball again.
Go again. Bit of contact.
Still 7 serving 1.
Harleen sé an go chéach ní Harleen sé chu com minic agus a Darlíonn sé sa dá fi fé. Oh, better ask for Commissar sin.
Just need to call it.
Yeah,
Side away.
Ach fós féin
1 serving 7.
Steve Mahan seo chu chun Kilkenny. Sin ceanna bháin scuil
Sorry, hold it.
sin nach
Hold it.
fós féin.
Someone hand that up to us.
Oh,
It's na nótaí drapa an sin ag an réitor.
Fumbling.
I love
left.
how
Curse out there.
I love how Frank is so old school in that he writes it on the paper. Like he gets the official sheet, but he prefers doing it in boxes. Old school. Fair play, fair play. Ah, that's a nice little break for the boys. Give them a bit of breathing space. Little mini timeout.
These things happen.
Can happen
Most of
anyways.
those is way up, is he?
Darlíonn sé.
Gives the boys a bit of a break. That's their little mini timeout there now.
Síling go an sus
Okay.
tastal a chuléir tá sé
Two serving 7.
mar lút in níos lúthe. Sean some
Beautiful
ball
shot.
cool.
Oh, I love
Sin,
it.
yeah. Lei sé sin go hínta. Sean is to Kieran. So,
Oh, lucky. was the right shot. It's just
It's on the
the right
chance.
Three
It's
serving
on the chance in
seven.
the shin full second Kilkenny.
Jesus, great scoop off the back wall, Kieran. Oh,
Oh, it was in Dara Frabjin there. He
good
shot
shot
now,
by
Cliath.
Gary.
Mark,
Shot
Shot by Gary.
four
Now look,
serving seven.
Really, when you look down 4-7, Meath are making a comeback. Again, you need to break this momentum. If there was a timeout, I would say take a timeout, but there's. They just have to try and break the momentum in the court. Because as we saw when Meath get into the swing of things, it's just very hard to stop.
Chance and shot Shane now. Louis says it's horror in us. Shane fraggle mine, Shane, no Shane. Chance to Kieran will. And Taven Lavadessa. Second myth will. The golf
Shane's
pair
got
to
it.
reach the Taven after
lovely
ring
shot.
rally show.
Oh. Brian's going to kill it. Oh, thought he would. I thought he'd get away with it. I thought that Gary was just ready and set inside. Knew where
Mark.
it was going.
Well, on
Was
loose.
ready to run in.
On loose, like Shakhtar Gary and Shin couldn't catch it and feel come up.
Yeah.
That's five serving seven.
She counts at the inner reach.
Mark,
They've just, Meath have really come back here
six
now.
serving seven.
She took sucker
6-7.
shots at Dara Clare Shawnish.
They've really made a good comeback. Oh.
Dari go might actually count in a scuba mock.
Meath are missing very few shots in general. Like everything is
Play it
up
again.
unless
the ball.
like they miss a kill, but in general they literally don't miss a thing.
Score is still
Like
six
missing
serving
nothing at all.
seven. Foul serve.
Can't follow O'Brien and Shin. He's counting the squeals and Shin Shane. You've actually saw the Shin.
Mark, together at 7.
Some of the Rashid Cole scoring ish.
Not up. Thanks, Kieran.
Oh, well,
Thank you,
good
I'm a
Kieran.
contact.
sportsmanship.
I'm a contact with Shakhtar here on Neary and Shin for
Good
play. Go.
sportsmanship, fair play to them.
Mark, eight serving seven.
Oh, beautiful. Shot and stuff.
Tá did Shakhtar Ration
Mark.
the Minish coming into me.
Nine serving seven.
Oh yeah.
The shots in the which did block it. Better Grouch Shin Nasanov like tools and Derek Lay shot which is rational.
It's a lovely pass shot. Good scoop by Kieran. Oh, it's just dropping. Oh, it's got it.
Tá sé an rain us. The Aki up the lad show Carcolor.
I don't think there was anything Shane could do about that shot. I think it was going down. That was that.
Mark,
Nearly a bit of confusion for
10
Meath though.
serving
A
seven.
little split second.
Chance of Kieran on it. Carry on. Shane McGruck. Trasta coming in.
Oh, lovely shot, Shane. Lovely
Better go
shot.
Nice Road and steal the Shin Emery.
One hand off. 10 serving seven.
Now, can they get Gary out to try and kind of stop this run and get back in again and get a few more? That serve Gary's hitting is very good.
Tá sé go hénta Kai Vinny smó rag táta Kirkleanna go sí déanamh an ceantin etlas up here
Oh,
on Neary.
beautiful shot.
Bhfuil sé Jacker is stoil an Gargad dó
11 serving seven.
a crappa amach an seochaní ag ghlacha. Well, rinne sé iarcail sin an smaoin of Mai is stoil sin an smaoin of Ceart.
I think so too, yeah. I
Mark.
Think, yeah.
Mar ma
And like
ágan
Shane
tú
is
sin.
there if, you know what I mean, if it...
12 serving
I think
seven.
definitely you have to try and take it, I think, anyway. It's just coming off very awkwardly around the
Nor
back.
hagan sé timpeall tá sé bhfad níos Jackery bhúil arás. Ionad an sin. I ban tú úsáid an láb.
Side away.
Nor ban tú úsáid is taobh na láb a clé.
7 serving 12.
Taobh na láb a deis sin I bríonn sé bhfad níos fearr.
Oh, nearly.
Bhí sé ag ban trí las freastal
Nearly.
difriúil an sin agus ba bheog nar bhú sé
7 serving 12.
Well, be you a three.
Can they get a few aces now? That's what they need, like, to get back into this. 1 or 2 even, just tip them back in a little bit more.
Chance of Kieran on his show.
It's a lovely pass shot. Go on, Shane, go for the kill.
Well, Diary Lesh, the Irvish began in row top
Yeah.
to Brian Carroll and Shin
Yeah.
on Elmson.
That's what they need
Mark.
now, so they're 8 now.
8
It's
serving
on of
12.
not yucking
more
Brian
now.
Carroll and the Keen Shin. Knock.
Need just a few more to keep themselves in the game.
Well, Mátha Cunnick Kilkenny here in Derek Clay show, Bugan by Trid and Skohik Tastalu, Trid on Dean. Derek Kasulish and Kiana Raiwako and Derek Shakman Chakatsa.
It's a lovely shot.
Taniri Own, Scoop and Shane Maki. Chance out of the Neary Nish. Okay, Gary. Yachmad Gahard.
Oh, lovely.
Dear Crapshe, she is the Gary and Malak in Tanulish.
Again, like,
Side away.
just
Come on, you come into me,
taking
yeah.
the shot as it comes, going for it. Like, they've missed very few these.
Oh, yeah.
Very
Score
few.
is 12
So you
serving
can count in
8.
your hand how many they've missed, really, like.
No comment Ardmolo, Horta Kundin and me and shots and Malak and the Wilshire the Gimmert. Agus few nor Kirk Canagit Fivru. Tashi Trish, the Tana. A whole got a rash of stocks to clear shot. Agnisha Hart Gafol. From the back mid. Well, the hammer to our Shin, no Shane done, Nisha Hart Gafol.
And that's what
Second
they
hand,
need to keep doing now. Get them
12
out now.
serving
Nish
Get them
Tuck.
out now without getting any scores
Well,
and
Todd.
get back in there.
Tom quite a small the score come in me a shock though. Frastal Gary McConnell, so Falcon Beck mid King size Fragger basic he can again. So Shane out. Skate can you Glocka? It's the Shane and Leroy shot.
It's a good shot. It's a good pass
Dear
shot.
Touche, Harris, Kieran and Shin.
Yeah, good pass shot.
Mark.
A really good pass shot.
13 serving 8.
Kai Kilkenny Dirk stop a curl le Gary and Sean no.
Interesting.
She's got the more scoring.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, I'm tall and Shin.
Ah, look. We all
Glocking
need
too
one
low
of
nor
them.
a hogging sheet.
Side away.
Like I'm Gary and Shin, a guy of this
8
big around tall
serving
up.
13.
It's just
Okay,
part of the game.
well-
You make your own luck.
Well,
That's what I think anyway.
ag
Make your own luck.
brand new parking croaky and shot on pinner sure knock more forward for so it's on of a Harley and
Yeah,
Mar
yeah.
Shin. Shin Pioca Gamayak Shane and Shin. The Shane Glairu Quidaki up to Malak and Wilchik Rick deep in the quarter.
Not up, not up, not up, not up. Not up. No, it wasn't up. It wasn't up. The ball came up.
Oh,
It's
I
a
don't
mark.
know.
It's a
I'm
mark.
not sure. I'm not sure. I thought
That's
it was
a
up
jacker.
myself, but I don't know. It's
Yeah,
Nine
Sheet and
serving
Hanger.
13.
Well, it's leis an Multor and Glake Mar Lewin too.
Oh, unlucky, unlucky.
Side away.
Unlucky.
Oh, sorry, hand off. Second hand.
You see now.
9
Come on,
serving
Kieran. They need
13.
to get going with the points if they want to keep in this against Meath.
Shots of Shane and Ish.
Lovely
Glock and Shay
shot.
Lesh.
Lovely shot. This is a good test now for
Mark,
the
10,
champions
13.
of last year's.
Oh, Keensey, yeah.
It's a really good test now. They're really being put under pressure. That serve is very good.
Yeah, tá Keshan á chur na Champignon seo ag chun Kilkenny ach
Wow.
well,
Side
they're
away.
jalad tan na fragri acu go mai.
I feel like Kieran here needs to like the ball because if it's coming out
13
the glass,
serving
Brian is
10.
just rolling it out, or else he's returning it very well.
Count Jack of the Gary school and shake it. Kentucky, fake her shin.
Lovely shot. Lovely shot.
Mark,
Dini,
14,
picture the
serving 10.
clock on Leroy Chin, where Malak Savalchi, Kamad Sousa, and Malak. Gary, well, Gary Tree last two.
One hand off.
Don't really make those mistakes, please.
14, serving 10.
Count Jack with the Kieran up to Irene Nash. It's on of Ian and Gary Shin.
Right away, 10, 14.
We're at 14, or sorry, we're at 10-14, so if Kilkenny can get some more points on the board, like these are the crucial moments here.
A chance of Shane, no, Tasha can drop a hell kick. Kieran, it's a Gary out and Malik shot. Shane, a great team, but Tom losing on Var shot, Kerkalor.
I'd say he's going to kill this. Just a great pass shot.
Oh,
well done, Kieran.
Fiokin Kieran Sousa, a hint of Shin. There's chance of Kieran and the kit to Ogun Balakul. Grabbing Shin go Husman to the Brian.
Oh, good shot. Oh, wow, how did he get that? How did Brian get that up?
If you come and kill Shin, Gur Frabshe if we go, Vishay Tarlu Gatapi, so Neil Kinta. It's rally than Scottish. Oh, it's Fiokin Shin.
Wow.
It's the Shane down. He's Kian Bigoni needs to ask the. Taniri down.
Still going.
Give it shots at top of the straight shake, also rally shot. Quaga, Shaska.
Oh, definitely.
The daggery, the core of.
Oh, what a way to finish it. What a way to
Gary
finish
McConnell,
it.
agus Hahan on Count Shin Lesh and Slew, Cahan on the Raw.
I feel like that's been his speciality, these big long rallies, and then the next thing he just rolls it out.
Yeah.
Just been his speciality today.
Fine Shane Brain, doesn't the rally's father, Agus Creek Neen Sheed.
It's a great serve.
Swing of Carrick Shane and Shin next
Side away.
Hard shot to hit from the back though. It is a hard shot. I get where he was going for.
14, serving 10.
Goals to tour in the league road show. Matashe Conain, Maricanella, Fantamak. Ni fail at the Emirates
what a
Saval
serve.
Chigoni.
What a serve! The spin off the wall.
Mark, 15, serving 10.
Tashi Al Hassan again to Vincent.
Foul serve.
Kian one Ella Fada O'Brien Carroll. Tashi Thrish Ryan King Fada Avula. Canada squeeze to Gary and Shin, so
15, serving 10.
If we should be able to Kilkenny better. Oh, that's fast as Shin cold either.
Yeah, yeah.
But a chance to Kieran and Shin and to get Oak.
Kieran's very consistent. Everything is up. Everything's up in the wall. Oh, a lovely pass shot. Oh, well done, Shin. Unlucky. Could see what he was going for.
Mark, 16
now.
Serving 10.
They're just slipping away that bit of experience, I think. That bit more experience together. Oh,
play the ball again.
There, yeah. Contact there.
Yeah, you're on Congo Clinic here,
yeah.
You're out in with Kali Shokan, look.
16 Serving 10.
Shot was gone, Shane.
Lovely shot.
Because a reach Shane Bantu saw us in love Carrickney, and if Carrick to come a bot here in the lobby and you Shane.
10-16 going back.
I'm not surprised. It's very warm there, and the rallies are so long as well between both of them. I'm not surprised.
There's no time out. He's changed his gloves. Only when you're my age, bro.
It's a good time for a glove change, I have to say. Kilkenny going in now to serve.
The Brian Carroll Kesh do on Elmo Maki show no on Ahru Lavini Ahru Lane Chakhamaya and show Shane done. So well. Must be let the class in the show
you can see the gloves are wet, so it's fair enough.
I know if he come about
and I'm not surprised all the running he's doing in there. And the heat in there as well. It's very hot.
Sin agus tá ancuid talamh chlúd ag Shane Dunn agus é rití ban na háide. Ancuid talamh chlúd ag Ciarán Nírí chumáid ar taobh na labh clé agus orintha bíon ar dul Harris quick taobh na labh deise chumáid.
This really, I suppose, it's Kilkenny's chance to try and get back in and push. And like 16-10, this is their chance now for a push, really. And like, if Meath get them out, I think that's it.
Agus ná freastal ag Shane Dunn an issue teach teach, so feic me bhfuil sé ceann ceann éitrim sin a dhéanamh éis nó bhfuil sé chun níos mó neart agus luas chuir seach sa líród. So bhí cógáil beag chun na Meath taobh maihin sin agus an seans ach lech acu.
Yeah.
Ní raibh ar sása leis an éil amach.
Let's wait and see now. I think now this is Kilkenny's chance, so let's see if they can push from here. They have put them under great pressure in this game, they definitely have. You can see moments. But then Meath are, to be fair, fighting back strong. They want to retain their title again.
Okay, so.
It's 10, serving 16, 2 hands in.
Are Kilkenny going to put them under more pressure? Did that glove change work?
Okay. You okay, Kieran? Okay, 10, 16.
So County's head to make shots O'Shane and ish.
Change serve, interesting.
Chance in to Ciarán on. Chance to Shane and ish.
Yeah, I thought he was going to kill.
Dropping she's the Gary. Ciarán down, come on.
It's a tough one, but he got it. Well done,
Darry
Shane.
Gahinta Gleshi Shane Scuba Ma. Chance to Ciarán and ish. Who should them Cooney Ciarán the rain us? Was Ekin Shane Lee Hurgamai? Oh, me on Shane look shot into O'Brien Carroll can he Shane a Creek Nusus.
Yeah, I didn't know if Brian or Gary were going to shoot there, but you could
One
see
hand off. 10.
No, it's all up to Ciarán.
16.
Strap here, Ciarán near and Shin. Yeah,
Oh,
they're Shin
yeah,
down.
I see that now, yeah. I didn't know that, right?
Better go check strap up the
Maybe,
Gertrude.
yeah. Well, they're all doing a lot of running in there, so. Oh, lovely shot, Shane. Lovely shot.
Holding.
Great teamwork there. Ciarán
Mark.
Shane kills.
11, 16.
Banshee Usad into Gossen Etelson Shin. Gokshane Lewis Glare Austin Lee Road.
Jeez, Brian is just there, isn't he?
This
Ready
is
and waiting.
Side away.
Cordova.
Ready.
16, serving 11.
Oh, lovely shot. Ciarán.
Shouldn't he swear up here on Erin? Shouldn't come as a tiger and again.
Second hand, 16, 11.
He's got it again.
This is Ciarán sauce the Shin.
Yeah.
Shin near Dear Karash with Gary.
Mark, 17, 11.
Like, if he hit it the other way, if it was the other wall, it would have died. It's just, yeah.
Oh, this is Giller Kedero Geshteg, alright. New Rabrick Shea Makto. She's Shane and Isham Bottle Cool. Well, a bunch of tree last rain.
Just in the right place.
Chance to Ciarán. Can you bull or Rashka hard because Golizer. Chance to Ciarán on bottle cool. There grow better. Here it's Tilton, Shinna Ciarán up on Gaveknet.
I'm shocked when the lads got for a kill. I really thought they'd shoot a few times there. Oh, lovely pass.
Shot pass Ionad and Shane done. Agus Faker and
Side away, 11, serving 17.
Yes, yeah. Now, they only got 1 point there, Meath, so let's see now what happens. Oh,
Agus
it's a
Fragger Ryan
difficult
Shane
one.
up on the me.
Awkward one.
Yeah, Grandma and Shane are taking
Second
all the
hand,
pressure.
11, serving 17. Foul ball.
Too strong.
Well, vi sé beagnach farfa. De mar gur frab sé beidir cúpla centa idir sin. Oh well, been on 10 shot around the Brian Carlos.
He doesn't make many mistakes now.
Mark.
I have to say, he doesn't make many mistakes.
So she'll count out of the Kilcannig initial because Kieran amongst Fastel.
Having a little chat there now. Team talk.
12, serving 17.
Okay.
He's got it.
False diary dash. To hear Cass and Liathróid sin is Jack a Joe Kirk here on a diary dash. Shane.
Lovely shot.
There's all Shane. Cúine ceart an sin. An lámh ceart agus an cúine ceart.
You can just see the momentum.
Mark.
Here.
13, serving 17.
I think Meath really let's see now, but Meath are gonna have to really up a gear if they can to try and win this game. I really think Meath do not want this to go to a tiebreaker. Like I just think, oh, what a shot by Shane.
Can chance now fós go rocket shot quick through Cliath.
Mark.
I think we need a glove change for Meath.
14, serving 17.
Chance of Kieran initial Prabhat shots cool.
Oh, I think. Oh,
no.
He was ready for a chain and everything.
15.
He was off running.
So Mark.
Off running and ready. I really think like Meath need to win this game. I think if it goes
15,
to tiebreaker, I just
serving
think
17.
For their mark on Shin there, such nar frab sé shocks fin or sort of who sé mark. Fi sé vad roll dodger.
Oh, ouch.
Hinder ball, play the ball again.
Ouch.
Check the ball, Gary.
Frank Shin better go Kieran big Ganin roll Congress to
15, serving 17.
Yeah.
Better knock out pair up with Tanulish.
I think Meath are tiring a little bit, no? Because they're missing shots that
Mark.
they haven't missed up until now.
16, serving 17.
Yeah. No, so it's very warm there.
Against their bit here and the rather grushy trade. As a Brahnor Hunde Kilcannig, you know, Shane Dunn and Shin, such a co-acty, co-toppy.
Thanks, Shane.
Fair play.
Old looking Shane Dunn, so better come out.
Yeah, fair play to Shane there.
Side away.
2 hops.
17, serving 16.
It's Ionad going to roll on the McConn Shin Echo.
Oh, lovely dirty serve.
Well, Shin gets over, Shin lawn opposite.
Play the ball again.
It's hard there. They're fighting for the space.
17, serving 16.
Yeah.
Shin Aku can fall off some Malak.
That's it.
Kieran Nyart, the current Kieran is shocking and
great shot.
Like Kieran non-sauce Shane.
Yeah, lovely
One
shot.
hand off. 17, 16.
Now, Meath, if they want to win this, they need to get at least one ace here, even at least, just to try and
Chance of Shane, will. Fioca, Gary Mai.
Fair play to Gary there. It was a great pick. I know
again.
Brian finished off there, but it was a great pick.
Mark,
That's what they
18,
needed. They
16.
needed that 18 now. They needed that. Oh, unlucky. It was the right shot. Unlucky. Gary knows he was lucky there. 19.
Mark,
Right.
19, 16.
Right shot and Shin agus tá an ceart a bhí sé ceart dul tóra. Keanu's punt and Shin. Oh, dear Clear Irish leis agus níl Gary Sauce leis Shin.
Side away.
Bhí sé ceach go hand happy chuig agus beidir leis an tréach Shin beidir den an Kenny ceart.
Now look,
16,
19.
serving 19.
This, I can feel the tension. Wow, I'm getting a bit tense now. Because I kind of think if Kilkenny get one or two here now. Oh, it's hard. Look, Shane, it was the right shot. Like, he's going for his kills.
Hand off, 16, 19.
Fan bheicimiid tá fós freastal Ciarán éirí le teacht agus an éan dearnach bhaidir an cuidas módas na Americana amach le freastal Ciarán, so ní si críicne go fóil. Bhí sin léite go maiid Shane, bhí sin an áit ceart. Bhí éasa go nervh sin Liathróid.
Side away, 19, 16.
It's a great serve.
Irene na Ciarán é chur arás le neart agus luas mai.
Lovely pass shot by Gary. Lovely pass shot.
Yes, the Gary Gamai carried around the Dana again, Shin.
Here we go. I think
Mark,
this is it.
game ball, serving 16.
This is it, I think.
Neary out. Chance of Gary can you creek now, Nick Lock and Shedash. Karen Chair Rash could neary, eh? Well, Dari Gamaila neary and Count Shin a Glock and Mock to say Grandma Hellas and Tave Bala. So Shane out.
Unlucky. Oh, such a pity. But that's the way that ends.
Derek Crabshay and Malak not very shake to do that. To say it's a good near
Oh, that was a great second. Very entertaining.
I'll take that home, put it in press as a memento today.
Yeah.
Gary played
Mar Irene the Champagne Goni can either all our Rash stocks Clay Canish so fecking with Baile Cliath agus chun de muo to the shock and can tave so sock. Bishin Taspond us ionach to quit and Shaska Fate Trucker. Oh, go Gamma or go Fern Trodaisiúnta, but then Shaska Fate Truckers and Malacking or Horde over Emerhead. I thought Clay Ella the shock and shot, a couple no made the niche because the hemorrhoid to the shock to the tave so KV slow is Clay Canish na Heron. So in I condemn me, am I Baile Clay on a reach? No, my condemn my yo. Fanlin.
Conor Michael Duff here from GA Handball, reigning World Wall Ball Champion. We're here at the UL Sports Arena in Limerick for the 2024 World Wall Ball Championships. Let's take a look inside at the Sports Arena. We are inside the arena where the World Wall Ball Championships will be taking place, with 10 courts running simultaneously throughout the duration of the event. It is a tournament Ireland has not seen in many, many years, promised to be a good one, so be sure not to miss out.
6:30 is our national game and it's our heritage and I love it.
There's no time for breaks or anything, it's all survival of the fittest in the big court.
By 30 encompasses all that's good about handball. It's where legends come alive.
We're here today at the National Handball Centre at Croke Park. We are launching the sponsorship by O'Neills.com for the Wall Ball and Four Wall World Championships, which are going to be held at University Limerick in August and at Croke Park National Handball Centre and Leinster venues in October, November this year. It is so exciting to have O'Neills.com sponsoring handball, and we look forward to as many participants at both events during the year.
We're here today. There's a few of us who are on the Irish team for the upcoming World Championships. We're just doing the launch here at the Croke Park National Headquarters. I'm absolutely buzzing to be going to Limerick, to be honest with you. It's a big achievement now to be on the Irish team representing your country at the World Championships, one of the biggest stages in handball. And it's also an honour to be there with Mikey, one of my friends, who were 10 years ago. 2014 we were in an under-11 national final, so 10 years on to be representing our country in the men's open at the World Championships, you can't make it up. So it's unbelievable.
I've been playing handball for 12 years and it's always been a goal of mine to get on the Ireland team to represent my country at the World Handball Championships, and especially to do it with the men's open as well. That's another goal I didn't expect to achieve, but I did. I'm very proud of it, and yeah, very happy with the win.
The early bird deadline is fast approaching. It is on the 19th of May. So I would encourage all people that want to enter this championships to get the entries in as soon as possible, because there is a logistical aspect to these, the planning for this event. The Handball GA Handball wants to get to know the number of entrants and to map out the tournament so that it will help towards the success of the event at University of Limerick in August of this year. Yes, it would be fantastic to see so many countries participating in such an arena as UL, We have already been in contact with European countries and Asian countries and American and Canadian countries, and have expressed an interest in the tournament. We do look back at other worldwide events and tournaments where the ambience amongst participants from other nationalities actually increases the whole meaning of the championships. And we know it's going to be a great event and we want your support. So please come, even if you're a family member or a friend, come down to University Limerick and actually support the event and see how handball is played on the worldwide scale. GAA Handball is very appreciative of O'Neill's.com coming on board as sponsors. Last year we had them come on board as the sponsor for our All-Ireland series, and that was great. And now for them to launch today as the sponsor for the World Wall Ball and Four Wall Championships, it's just huge for our sport. As one of the smaller sports in the GAA family, we think having O'Neill's as our sponsor is really a great boost to our sport, and we really welcome them on board.
agus fáilte ar le bhompernána Sean Dara Cliath Lachianis de chuid créibh fé cethir Liathróid Láimhe na Héireann. So ag fannach sa Cliath Ceannis tá chun na mí iníag iad an lábhan ótar áil ar chunach chu cheannig níos luithe. Ag an isis ó chundaí muí óh I dús bar ag freastal tá Niall Joyce agus Paddy Murphy a gcuin. Agus ag freigra an seirbhís dús bar ó chundaí Baile Cliath tá Owen Kennedy agus Carol Brown. So ag breanúir Kennedy agus Brown mar sódún go léir bhí craobh búte acu I gábhí sa cúideag in aig Kilkennig an lá sin Ciarán Neary agus Michael Duxie Walsh. Ach an déir seachna de chatta Hannah ar slán ó cluithe in aig Dominic Lynch agus Jack O'Shea áta bhúd ar fé héin a Cardig agus fé héin in é. Agus a sin ag breanúir chundaí muí ó.
Okay, this is the second semi-final. Serving from Mayo, Noel Joyce and Patrick Murphy. And receiving for Dublin Owen Kennedy and Carl Brown.
So fanga bheith mid an multi Frank Daly for
play ball.
So Muyo
0-0.
It won't fasten the Whoosboyer.
I just kind of like, you'd obviously think Dublin would be the favourites just because of who I suppose Owen Kennedy and Carl Brown are, but it's great to see a young pairing here from Mayo making a semi-final, isn't it?
Yeah, agus nach cínta gan rud ag Bert Immer ag eáil bhfuil tar éis Imerlin na chéile ó bhíodar in a gasúir.
Yeah.
So tá si de gimmert in chéile an saoil ar fad is tó go bhfuil sé na Liathróid Láimhe ar fad. So is ionta an rudí sin de feicáil.
Oh, lucky.
Ní an sin ó Paddy.
Side away.
Lucky.
Is made of Cliath shocked by Reynos.
Definitely the right shot to go for. Interesting, the new white Mayo jerseys.
0-0.
And the Dubs have gone for a real retro one, haven't they?
Tá sé sin caite ag baile Cliath hena hain, so ní rud nua í sin ar Reynos. Fan bheith mit chance gón an seo an taobh an ballach go.
God, Paddy's hit the ball hard, isn't he?
Bert Gwynner taobh an lábh deis an seo bhfuil chun an Liathróid seo bhfuil a an láidir.
Lovely shot by Ionad.
Carl Brown agus Paddy Murphy.
Beautiful corner shot.
Mark 1, serving 0. Foul serve.
Ceann Juan began in roll láidir an sin ó Carl. Agus ceann eile.
One hand off.
Zanna bheith ecin tú é sin is a seaca féit trocha.
That's not like him.
When you've Carl Sauce leis an ceann sin.
Yeah, it's not like him.
Foul serve.
So leis an taobh seach an sin tá an Liathróid sin an Beo.
Yeah, it's flying around the place.
Okay, yeah, then an own came today nach bhfuil sé chun freasta leile a thart orthaí. Seo ceann ag titim síos ag etil síos de Niall. Seanta Carl in a siúil.
Oh,
well,
unlucky.
A rís hús is tóir an shot ceart so better go
Side away.
Better go na gá pair an seo began in nervhí sé tosnú amach so
yeah.
better go
0
sucroid
serving
she's
1.
Oh, I think they'll
sucroid
settle
she
in
is
yet.
agus an sin.
Ah, yeah, no, they'll settle in yet. You just think, though, with their experience, I didn't think they'd be nervous, you know, that kind of way. With the experience that they both have, but...
Oh, well, fine gacht in a nervhí se Ashling.
Yeah. It's a lovely shot, beautiful shot. No getting that back.
Dirk,
1
4-year-old
hand
boss
off.
and sin ag an cool or hit sé seach. So Mayo fóstatóir a chéad score.
0 serving 1.
Céint freastal atá Niall chuna dhéanamh. Sin ceann amháin banta amach acu a Reynos.
It's a good serve.
Mark, together at 1.
No, it's just dropping. Lovely shot by Paddy.
Well, Caim mé rag bhfuil Mayo dín go hinnta an seo mar
Yeah.
cai go bhfuil sé Jackar
2
de le
serving
seach
1.
in I Berts.
He's really going for every kill shot, like even from quite far back, he's really shooting for everything.
Cai go bhfuil sé Jackar de Mayo de le seach in I Berts mó le rá ar nós Carl Brown agus Owen Kennedy, you know, Peratán Craig Boot Jackar go dtí seo agus tá gaiir go maiile Mayo an seo.
Yeah,
Tús mai
very
Carl
impressive, yeah. Really pushing Dublin back, like lovely overhand there by Niall, like that was
Mark.
a lovely overhand shot into the corner, real deep.
Agus seans nach bhfuil an
Three
ceartú amach
serving
is
one.
dóin an go bhfuil an pair acu fósa gimmert sa Craig idir bheanach go mai.
Yeah.
So it's more an achrú í seo pair lads idir bheanach a seach sa cluthe leachcheannis sa chuid le Craibh.
It's a great shot again by Paddy, really coming around the walls nicely.
Mark 4 serving 1.
So cuma luar an scéil go bhfuil baile aclaí extraca leis an luas atá chur ag chunaí Mayo ar an Liathróid.
Have to say, like very, very impressed by Mayo so far. I presume, well, maybe they've played together intermediate or junior, these two boys, but they're playing really well together.
Well, tá si de gimmert lena céile an saoil ar fad.
Okay.
So Siúnan go mbeidh cumartáid má idir adarthú agus tuiscint mai go mai.
Oh,
agus
lovely,
Carl
lovely
Deere down
little-
ag an ceart.
Lovely kill by Carl. Just in the right place. He would stay on the floor, put the hand out, and he had it. Fair play to him.
1 serving 4.
He better lighten this one this time.
Yeah, well,
he doesn't want the same mistake.
Ní dóil an gúil sin chun an botú chéine if we go.
I don't think he will.
It's on a bheith eccan tú duine ag búla gá foul in aige chéile, so.
Still 1 serving 4.
Sin ceann beganí níos sábháil se dó.
Lovely shot. Oh, lovely kill shot. Beautiful shot. Just such a lovely
Mark,
kill.
2 serving 4.
Oh, lovely. Lovely and dead. Just when it tipped up.
2 serving 4.
Beautiful serve.
Frasaline, they've been showing on candy.
Just furfa.
Mark.
But they're now on quite tahi ega bantu so that's an
3
overhand
serving
shin.
4.
He's pushed up straight away anyway now.
Shot ball.
So sure he's different chopped-ish.
They're actually both up really far, the two Mayo boys, aren't they? When you just look at them in their court position.
Yeah, I thought you'd ag feitheamh ar an Liathróid the Glock ar an etils ar nos. In aine an sin fós don sé leis.
Thought that ball nearly hit Paddy there for a second.
Is fed leis an Liathróid sin casa go tapaí agus
Oh,
a Malacca afrú.
flying off the walls. It's interesting. It feels like a different game to the other game we watched in that I feel like the pace is different.
Tá, if I'd níos nú etil tá Glock ag na lad seo.
Yeah.
Tá si gléir ag feitheamh go dtí go búlan sin ball a cool agus ní róvéit an stíl im ar sin sa céad ceann.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Back in.
Ach tá sé luú go leor go
Score
fáil,
is
so
Yeah,
Frank
very
Beckett
close.
right.
Very close game all the same. Niall is just ready there to take it. He's just getting
Top ball.
set.
agus ónna crutha ceann an sin ar sé sásta leis an Malaccan ar nearn sé teagháil leis an Liathróid an sin.
Yeah, you can see that what he's trying to do. He's just trying to lighten it so that it's not, as easy to take it.
Ach seans ón an is an ball cool. Bú sé an fast seachas an kill.
Oh,
Is mí an sin ó Carl. So seans eile ag muo an is gan roints marcna chur an score.
Oh, definitely.
Tá gaiir go hinnta cló I dús bar. So
They're just moving very well, aren't they, Mayo?
4
Like, they're just
serving
kind of
3.
yeah.
agus feic manis tuis go bhfuil Paddy ag freastal ó taobh lá clé tá sé ag bog a heil chu taobh lá clé agus tá Niall tar sé héanamh agus timp chu taobh lá deise. Ag dibar sé amach dó if rain nos an seirbhí sin.
It's interesting. Like I've seen Owen and Carl play like a few training games here in Croker, and I just feel like they're not playing as well as I've seen them play. But that's probably it because Mayo are really piling on the pressure and picking everything.
Yeah, tá an cumar an scéil nach bhfuil baile lí a sucrathe go fáil. Ag breanú Carl ag déanamh na gá foul, beidir nach bhfuil na seirbhí si seach amach ó Owens and Malaccan or
6 serving
gur
3.
mín leis, so tá rud ag an eile le teacht ó baile lí a fan go bhecimid.
Lovely return there by Carl. Oh, hit him.
In the ball played again. 6 serving 3.
Sin fragwer big on and he's larger on sin on Kennedy and Elm Shaw.
Yeah, he's a lovely overhand, isn't he? Just really drops nicely. Niall does as well, actually.
Well, we smile of my and shin ag paddy dear come back in your shit shag of all in your we should be going
serving 3
run cosul le shot in nimrock to so that fe fehe better.
Yeah. If he hit it just that little bit harder, it would have came off.
Dear run she here flicky in a vision here because the oil longer vision and not carrot can count shin a glocka.
Oh wow, great sir. Wasn't expecting to do that either.
Dear crab Jay Malak.
It really just popped up.
Mark 7.
Van je shin get just Carl Brown and Funk of Ekman in the oil goal she can shin in if we go lash. Better knock my carrot on.
Oh, good shot.
If you saw Mayas and Cunyan shin kai may raw Paddy Murphy that she can hint of shin or table on the Desha.
He's just seeing the space and he's taking the shot, isn't he?
It's the Carl Lound and Ettelt. Chance of Carl initial. Chance of going. Agus Creek Ní on you get hit fucking shin.
Good shot.
Is Kai Baile Cliath Dirky Thena a Socrus Shias and Shaw.
Yeah,
Markinella, Curraclor and score.
Yeah, they really do. Yeah, they need to get back into this.
Play the ball again.
Sheelan Guerrero on Tá acknowledge us and Shin he's all on Guerrero.
Yeah.
Where she gonna Lero Shin all to Malak and her frab shit. At Fos is Gleck Coprame on Ahim at the Hort though. Geared na shots in the Glocka Carl Brown Kaishi the Kamad Shias. Tá sé ag frabal sús the Moyo agus tá sé sin chance out of dóibh. Na Paddy
He's picked it. Oh, I thought that was going to go out.
No.
No,
full chain.
Ball serving 8. No. Just to let you know, if the ball goes out of play, you're going to hear a dead sound because there's wood there.
Yeah,
if it hits above the cement, it's going to hear a dead sound, so that's a mark.
I suppose you see, if you're not used to playing here and you see the lines, like, I don't know, you can't really see them on the camera there, but there is just, like, oh wow. Sorry.
Splunching a shot to Paddy Murphy.
Wow.
Mayo are just so up for this, aren't they? They're just ready. I think this game can make the crowd nice and rowdy. This will be interesting. A Mayo v Dublin crowd. Bit of crack.
Tanya again down more again Ina Shinataders Baile Cliath's Moyo sa fell. Niak me go full to Liathróid Láimhe better get chuggy she you. Sween of Carrot shot to Carl and Shin.
But like, if Dublin want to win, they have to go for those shots. Like, you know, they really do, because the boys here have run on like long. I think.
So
you know, they need to nearly copy Meath in that, like in the previous game, serve and kill. It's such an easy game, you know.
Commission Fioca.
Lovely.
Oh, dear, can pass shot into Shin or Paddy Murphy.
He's just looking where the space is and taking his chance. That was a great shot. He's really using his head. He's really thinking.
Agus second mid better begun frustrated shot to shock in Emirates by Clianish. Better Glocka Liathróid in our cord over Glocka. Funk of Ekman film low. Arthur Curl leis an stíl imar. Cean hard of it Jacker the Ónach Irene leis. A chance the Ónish on Ballacul. Chance at the own Kennedy in
He's going to shoot, is he? Yeah.
Oh, because Irene got my legend, Jim.
Beautiful shot.
Second hand.
Oh, Paddy was looking for a play over there, but not sure.
So, well, Connick me a curl off, so it's a Rehan Rally Visha Deer Karag or Bader Carla Malak.
Okay.
I'll say it's Tor and Lee Road.
Okay.
And you doyle and grow more on Inti. Ach. And Kinna Dane taking Ray Tor in us. Shot.
Play the ball again.
I think now they're playing a bit one of them, two of them.
Can't behind it.
I think Paddy's like, I'm not moving if he's not moving.
The runner on a current the storm call Mero go to the Tort on Made Shin Liathróid on Kennedy or Taven Lava Clay on Ballaccool. Or Shin on Alec and Will Shay on Marfox Clay Shaw. Gadisha or Enos. You know, it's fain lesh Leroy and Marchin of Bull and Advinci and Shin ground Tallesh. Marchin Fain. I thought to come on Leroy the Kerr Clay go on Kennedy Goril to need oil and go my more on Rahart.
5 serving 9.
So Baile will acro tactically tastelon we all Nish Asian Rata Tashi Foscom Keen. Dear Grodegan the Hog me Finyara. Kiana wants to take Paddy and Shin Silly Vaishe Sasa. Octob Frassel Carver and Trish. Dull of Views Gamors Cliath show, you know. In Eden a golf fell Shinnick Tools and Cliath. The Shin Curran Yard the shock and issue like Tast all the way.
You'd have to say here, like Dublin are making the comeback and you can see that, can't you?
Oh, keen to talk. Well, shock Kiana Ella that on Kennedy initial and Borough Cool looks. She not in a will she heard of it come for them. Few more will she can either Varu. So she can occur in Malak. Gerfader Lesh a Rilu.
I think he's going to shoot.
Oh, well, speed of care to get her in us.
Oh, yeah, definitely the right shot to go for. Just unlucky didn't come off.
It's few Dulcitor.
6 serving 9.
Or straight. Taven away from courts. Agus touch gur frabshe Tavish Stickman courts here at the tag as Shakas Mark. So by Goffrassel Ella going Kennedy and shot. Kim Jacker generation shot. Agus Creek Ninja. Blake Moyan Shino Carl Brown or Vishy Air Taven a lava Deshok Vishy Kert can you all go to stock quick on Kennedy can you Creek no.
7 serving 9.
I think the serve is working very well in that, you know, it's really kind of catching.
Tá Carl Reid and Shin, you know, Shin Kyocht my Dania, Ty Gimmerts, Sadubal, you know, near Cordich. Near Cordich, like Shasam and Shinnick, Fanac, nor Todd the partner, Bula and Lee Road.
It's a lovely shot there by Owen.
Mark.
8-9 now.
Agus a reach, such as a tort and a chance and a shot up by your Clea.
8
serving 9. Chance and Shinnick shot though, so.
Really making the comeback, yeah. Majorly here.
Come forward to own on Shin of us. Find she love Aaron Road. Chance to Carl Nishon and Ballaccool. Oh dear Kyle Nyla a Chusna and Shin.
He's okay, I think, but just looks sore, didn't
okay.
Dear Shin. Yeah, they're a clownic she, no, or Todd. Come a guard of her and Todd of Shin, dear.
Yeah, it
dear
just
Kyle she a Chusna agus a
looked
Boga.
like he went down awkwardly, looks sore.
Happy enough? Want to sweep there?
You know, it's fatal that they a clustall few some Alec and will na brogi rahar ag scoob on Talav and Shin.
Score is together at 9.
Tashi Garv, need shake Schneun and Shin. A cold score going in ish, Ashling.
Yeah, you could see that Dublin were coming back. I think the serve that Owen is doing is like it's just setting them up so nicely.
I can still shake her us and we owe and Shin Tá Niall san áit mí ceart má tá sé gní ágáil a ras de paddy. Tá Niall fáil as an
I
manach.
think so, yeah.
Tá sé déanamh blocáil ar faddy agus é géirí an ceanna ghlacha.
And it's kind of leaving the whole right side exposed.
Tá, cénta.
He's just shooting, like, he's just shooting. And like
Sin
that's what he
ceann
needs to do to... He's just... He's doing what me did earlier in the first game, serve.
Shut tactic níos fear ó chun bhí is tá sé é ahrú.
I even think Niall should be over here
Oh,
a
caithfí
bit
sé,
more
yeah.
because I just think it's leaving out of space over it. Just when this court is just such a big size as well.
Agus tá sé a garú díbal inis tus go bhfuil is go nachhfuil ón chun ceann sin na chríle a ríis. Agus Carl Sauce the glory the ágáil a ras chuig ón.
And again, I feel like Dublin have upped it and Mayo have kind of stopped shooting as well, but I suppose Dublin haven't actually given them a chance to shoot, really.
Agus beidir na shots sin a ra chlacha Paddy an sin bhí sé ag obrú ag tús an clé ach dír ganis. Nor nach bhfuil a momentum acu dír níl si ag obrú amach dóibh.
Yeah, the momentum, is definitely in Dublin's
12
favour.
serving 9.
Like if you look, they were 9-9 now, 12-9. Like Dublin are really pushing on here, but its own serve here is really catching them. Really catching them.
Check the ball.
It's such an effective serve, that overhand.
Oh yeah,
That
it's
I
obviously
feel like
loose
very
Galeras.
few people do it. It's not a very common serve, but it's very effective when you get it as perfect as Owen has it.
Chantel Ado on ball club.
Play the ball again.
Definitely replay. Yeah. He definitely was
Still
blocked
12
out.
serving
Glad
9.
be gone in Dane up and Shin
Yeah.
Legal 3 Levantas up
Yeah.
and up. It's Glad Cochram Shin Chimera.
It's just a brilliant serve.
Yeah.
I feel
Tá sé
like
Curras and Al Joyce Gomorran Shin. Níl sé sás agus é Granu Sulser.
13
Dean, you know.
serving 9.
So on frustra sin a railway Baile
Yeah.
dúspar tá sé there is Astru hell go
And I think it's so frustrating because it seems so simple, but when you're in there, it's not simple the way it's coming back. And like Niall has a lovely overhand as well, but it's just the way it's dropping down. It's just very hard to return.
Cai sé 3 Levantas a glacha agus í gatal tá sé sin a bhd níos Jackran á í dír go rá agus ceann ionach an sin grama leis an balla. Tá Niall Joyce bhí bhrúin sin ar taobh lava clay.
And I think
Mark.
we're seeing Dublin's experience of the calmness. They're like, oh, we'll just keep powering on now, take it step by step, take it ace by ace.
14 serving
I
9.
suppose Paddy and Niall really need to keep the head here if they want to stay in this game.
Cénta. Agus Louis tú é níos lú tá ón Kennedy's rééis an ceannacht a ghlach an seo do Baile clé, tá Carl Fós sa chluthe ach tá sé ag fágáil a bhd níos mó.
I think they should be, honestly, that should have been a replay. It's quite amazing as well.
Play the ball again, okay? I'll call the shot. I'll call it, okay? There's no need for me to say, I'll call it, okay? I'll call it, okay? Play the ball again. It's 14 serving 9.
It's hard on Frank because it's just a hard place to be in the referee box, isn't it?
Tá sé hand Jack
And Carl should be giving him probably a bit more room. Oh wow, that was a beautiful serve, alright. Very nicely done.
agus tá sé de gar
Mark,
simple a rééis an 3 Levantas.
Yeah.
Serving 9.
It's really working. Like, I think they've started at 7, wasn't it? 7-9 Dublin went in it.
Yeah.
And now they're it's all because Owen served.
Agus a rééis.
Oh, and lucky Paddy. Oh, that was close now.
Na cín seo bhí
Nearly, like-
bhíidir a gibrú amach do mó bhd níos lúthe an isis agus
Yeah.
bhí bhrú.
16 serving 9.
It's more an orla sí an momentum sa clé seo.
Oh, majorly. It just shows you though, like with Big Ali, like you just don't know. Like you could be up a good bit, but like when someone gets going, it's a
Sin shot
lovely
an
shot.
scóth mó ón sin chur ón bhí anpad bhrú.
Lovely shot.
Side away.
Now, boys,
9
you need to,
serving
you really need
16.
to just push on now and try and build their own momentum back again.
Ní bhaid Niall Sausage an gceann sin.
Yeah, just unlucky.
Second hand,
And
9,
they really
serving
need to get like, a
16.
few aces here if they really want to push on. It's a lovely serve.
Play the ball again.
Derry Mile Carolyn Counchin a Glocker tape
9-16.
go around Cummer and Scaler does go shake shocked in Alakawana because in Frab because Kasha Malakella. Yeah, so to frustrate because they're Paddy and show, you know.
I like
Side away, 16.
because they started
serving
off
9.
so well and were playing so well. It is frustrating for them that they're kind of missing.
Rudder
And
one
they're being
elevator
put
up.
under more pressure
Well,
now.
Rudder one elevator talk across the Paddy and Shin on the harder going to Eagle there, you know. Or into Gergod that Steer, you know, to Haina Hukrug has gone vet Parchix na harder going to Isha. You know, fog each Shin quick na Bana story, you know, no to the Keen Tella. You know, thought to Gamert's called to Derek and Clay, Emmert's few Norton, Immorella across the
Mark 17, serving 9. Drop ball.
Keanu one Alagir, so Carly Dull, oh, Keena Bulaga Father, no, Gadi Keena Bulaga Gar. Chance edit on can you know touch the curve Vadro Vedov. Keone the gun Shane and Carl Brown. She long sauce that Shane.
Yeah, you
because
could see one of them was going to get it. It was just a matter of who was going to. It was Paddy Urquhart. One of them was going to shoot.
Because you know, come here and scale the reach better
Oh,
ground.
one each.
You need to Shane and Paddy that she
Second
sauce
hand,
it. Because an
18,
acro,
serving 9.
it chopped the rash, chopping ish, gore, frost alone. Look.
It's 18-9. Right, let's see now. It's a brilliant serve. It's just dropping so nicely.
Chance to Carlinish. Agus an bailach in ar chos an Leroy sin ag etid go hálan an sin an lús nádóra a churn sé ar an Leroy sin bailach in a bhúlan sé. Cuma aonta ar an Leroy.
It's just that, yeah, it's great. And Owen's just going for kills.
Agus
It's beautiful kills.
agus í dá ghlacha go hálan ag láthar na thóir a ríis de
Paddy,
chum
game ball,
neadidir cén
serving
fág
9.
bhfuil sé tuairt an méid sin Leroy de ón Kennedy díreach ar an mala cool, you know. Bhín freagra amháin ag teachtmhaid i gcónaí. Sin freastal all an ionta agus fiú nár aon siad a rais. Céirdaí ana sé leis díreach in íag.
There we go.
An rud atá daonnta ag le fethe bliana nuas sa fin or mór. So, Cliath a gá leathan sin beidir an momentum goléir mu ó ag dús baireach an sin achrú ulmhór talcar an Cliath ar a tháinig baile Cliath as a shock mega. So by sus cúpla mómnaí to gwine inis in na gá Cliath seo. So fan linn agus ba mé a rais again bummite. It's long a fall.
Tommy Dre.
agus fáilte rasca an dara Cliath seo a chuid an dara
Okay, lads, double of the serve.
Fefe
Bit of quiet.
seas go féit trocha na bhar. John Brannigan Shullov and one creatort in Ionad Ashling O'Keefe. So Vui Baile Cliath on Kate.
Okay, 0-0. Play ball.
So either Tamanta Roy Gamay and shot a tools and dara Cliath so Fanga Vekimit. Ken Fraga Ves e Conde Moyo or on my plan e Conde Moyo can brew her Baile Cliath. Agus an trio Cliath force all.
It'll be interesting here, like, to see Mayo had such a good start in that second game.
Play the ball again.
Like, they did have a great start. So, can the boys kind of, I suppose, put
0-0.
that defeat of own serves behind them, come up with a new game plan to combat own serve, and push on from there? It'll be interesting to see. What a shot! Jeez, great shot. Great shot.
Mark. 1-0.
Carl Dana van Leroy the 8 ish le lob again ella.
Interesting that they're both just doing that overhand serve type.
Well,
it worked in the first, so it makes sense. Oh,
she
lovely shot
30
now.
though. Yeah. So she can one for Baile Cliath in a Kate Frastel, so Mars Doylan so Kate Frastel
Zero
the
serving
Frastel
one.
one August. So
They need the start now that they had really in that, like in the first game. Mayo, if they really want to test Owen and Carl.
because she need a curfew rule, so to come a sucker hen ish ar Baile Cliath agus is drug scale in the Moyo. Chance ish to Carl. Oh dear.
Yeah, no.
Together at one.
She be gone in row each though.
Yeah, lots of going up.
So Moyo and ish Clór and scoring ish ein coolin like ein coolin ella. Feckman Paddy Bantu Sadas Shun.
Oh,
That's
lovely
in
shot.
Sherry's Kane,
Beauty. A beauty when it comes off like that.
Fraggreen to Conchino Cara Brown.
Nothing Paddy could do about that.
One hand off. Together at one.
To make Torfing Naranish will should occur fastly Galera quick
Still together at one.
Brother Akru Tactiki Tasala who well Shin Kiana quick on. Oh, I can speak to and turn and she know own a killer and kill
Side away
from the court.
She heard of a sausage and
one.
Well, tá sé feice agan ó ón blianta fadach fós is inting ruí ag agus ceann amháin eile an sin ar taobh na lábha clé.
Yeah.
Mark,
showing why
two.
he's so many Senior All-Ireland titles there.
2 serving 1.
Oh, unlucky.
Oh dear, you're out. Carl Sausage and Counchin. A fós
One hand off.
Fecin bit on it toward Mulla though.
2 serving 1.
Agus Sean Frassel show hella chat Rish.
Mayo boys need to really lift their heads and fight for this because you could see the potential that they have, especially for the first game. Start the first game in particular, so they just really need to lift their heads and give this their best shot. Because I feel like in the first game they would have got that shot. You know?
Yeah.
Mark, 3
I
serving
think their
1.
heads are down a bit, they just need to lift it.
Ain't team nuts, yeah. You know, sausage and Counchin, honey me on Mianga guy or Eigenchin. You hear she roll large or if she roll art. Near she sausage.
Thanks, Patrick.
Spoke my contact. Oh, Paddy Murphy and Shane.
Thank you. Mark, 4. 4 serving 1.
I wonder, like, it's just, yeah.
Play the ball
Serves
again.
just making such a difference here. It's the big factor in this game. It was in the first game.
4 serving 1.
Seems to be creeping into the second game now. Owen just has it perfected to a T, doesn't he?
Yeah, I thought she coke with into Shin.
Because it's hard for Paddy, because like he can cross over the line. So
Mark,
if it's
5.
only just
5
dropped at the
serving
line,
1.
like you can't, you can't really take it. So it's very
Drop
well
ball.
short to me. But it's a hard one.
Agus tá ónach her Dirk Ishel galore knock fatal the Paddy I etalt. Agus sin nor fraban sé harash. Irene sé cohort sin go sé cold jacker. Agus few on dar frastal atá going on shot. Tá sé co effective. A hard
Mark,
man
6 serving 1.
Comerage getting knock will ein plan B ag my own show, you know, tá sé Dirk extractled ag nis vi chancig Paddy and Shin can count sin etals agus Beta Gerbe Shin on Smeen of Cliath. I can chance to Carl.
Lovely shot. Oh, well done, Paddy. Good hit.
Agus an Malak and a bull and on the road Shin can you heard deer crash agus and Shin Carl gets it agus on Derna Kellora chopped them up.
Just
Carl and Shin.
right place.
Lawn
Right
sauce.
time, right time. Yeah.
7.
Like, I
Hold
just want Mayo to lift their heads, because I know the serve is very frustrating and it's gotten their heads, but it's kind of preventing them from playing the good handball that they played earlier. Which is a shame, because they were playing so well.
7 serving 1.
Oh, me on Ginger.
Now,
You're out shake to new and Fada Shin.
Lift it here now, 1-7.
Side away, 1 serving 7.
There's an All-Ireland spot at stake here. All-Ireland final spot at stake.
Shin Marco one Elebant and Knock and we also
That
Shin
kind
what's
of
mine.
clever play is what they need. Those really good
2
shots.
serving 7.
Where Owen and Carl are going for the right shots. The clever play.
Oh, counts it.
Ouch.
Grim fighting.
Play the ball again.
And hey, and Grim no cool on count unfortunately.
2-7.
Pesh Gele, Fishy Pin versus Doylum. Now.
Great get. And he's there to get the next one.
It's made of Mayo, Carl and Shinnig Pontus at Stade Lava Clay at the near Richard.
Well done, oh. You can see Owen put the hands
one
up.
hand out.
He didn't mean it.
On 10 shot around.
The only shot on.
Look,
2-7.
a few different ways, just part of it.
The Island County all got a rash and ball cool.
It's just a very good, difficult shot. Like
side away.
Like
7 serving 2.
I think if you look up those lights too much, they will blind you.
That's what she says. No, she's in a proper rush.
7-2.
So
7 serving 2.
An freistal speisialta agus é féach sin na bhfuil a gcón atá churástámh an méid sin. They're casan ceann sin isteach I dro curpón, so ar bhéile sé a bharú. Sean Carl, ceann áard, láidir, Rashcraig an cool, agus Irene le 9 ag lecha. Dúirt ní raibh leis míán sin le Paddy.
8 serving 2.
Second mid own and Shinnick toward Mulla de Carl. Toward Spragado in Mannequin record a pair of partner Ionad.
Oh, unlucky.
Like Carl Sausage and Superman
Mark, 9 serving 2.
Quite loose at shot because better knock for Carlson off cart.
Yeah.
Side away. 2 serving 9.
Just speed, like it's just coming at him.
Shin Jackal a dial on it. Well, on Smeen of Cart O Carlin shin up there near Renish and Shag of all the Cart.
Mark 3 serving 9.
Shin drop a Helga on.
But I think he's got it.
Oh yeah, tá sé ag careful or. There's a chance to own it on ball club.
Paddy took the shot. Paddy took the shot. You have to
Mark.
definitely take them as they come.
So second mid when we chuck the rash stocks.
4.
Yeah.
So Cara Coolin and Igani.
4 serving 9.
Faker shin.
Beautiful. As he just
second
just
hand.
That back wall swing,
4
like,
serving 9.
To tee, like all those kill shots, they just come on.
You know, it's on of knock Irene Lone Keanu Bantamach here and all shin. Keanu together. It band was that on fish as
I didn't know if he was going to make it, but it did very nicely.
Oh no, we should touch the Creen going and chin. There's a guy comes sneaking chinny in.
9 serving 4.
Lovely serve by Karen. Lovely pass shot.
Oh, well Tyrick of mine, a Paddy and Shin.
Good pick by Paddy.
Right, that's just in the Glocker.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
10 serving 4.
Had to give him a bit of a high five there.
Yeah.
Great shot. Just really like
Mark.
Owen and Carla were watching like the positions the Mayo lads are in, and they're making them either run, like they're making them run, but they're watching very carefully.
11 serving 4.
Yeah, it's very clever play. It's a lovely serve by Carl as well. They're both doing the overhand. Too high.
I can reach them already. Go make Paddy now dull stockers and
second hand.
Because you get it.
11 serving 4.
If we need small brew, after she hard of a jacker, Ionad. all at Niall
You
and
could
Shin.
see what he was going for. It would have been beautiful if it came on.
12 serving 4. Now short ball.
Nishte Sam ground counchin Garach feckin to an Ahrú Beo Gain and own Lishan service can a Masco sauce piece of Biog.
Mark 13 serving 4.
So Digar Niag for Frastalone occur me ofi on Quid Vrew. There's a cur mark in air Clore and score. It's the Carlown. Oh, well, Vichy on a rain no, so Vichy began in roll toppy though.
Side away.
Just dropped that a little bit short. Now 4-13.
4 serving 13. Short ball.
Yeah, we come a Gar and Counchin, Vichy Congra cook, style and Groche Gar, Glek my on Malt Orangin.
Great serve.
Yeah, there's a Jacker, but to own extract that steer got Diary Leshin Counchin a scuba ma.
Passing shot by Niall.
Oh, because Irene Leshe got Curtis Fair low yen of flesh.
Oh, very clever.
Natasha Dick Faldog, Pierre Pagani, Robate Spashin, in her taking a lot of a desha, but it's a correlation.
You have to literally roll it out for the man to pick it.
One hand off.
Just clever play by Carl, seeing the space.
4 serving 13.
Rishan Smain of Mayo Carl and Shin at Derek Neal and Chagaval.
Mark 5 serving 13.
Derry Gamoila Paddy and Shin.
Yeah.
Murphy Anquid Lewis the shot there and Leroy Shin.
Very close to each other.
Bjogna count, Bjogna Cricket. So feckin' bit of Rishan Shella own a clock a can't see it there and Cliath on showed nor top Baile Cliath we rue. Frassel hard of it effect. Hard of it effect.
Mark.
Like both of them are doing it so well. Like
14 serving 5.
There'll be lots of players now watching this going home being like, I need to practice that serve.
Okay,
I need to get that serve.
But it's
that serve wins games. Oh wow, good shot now.
Well, it's failing in Glare on quick.
One hand off.
Ellen McBride
14-5.
Then Kaidan Shohag Emirates. It's a Shask Fit Trucka Horror. You know, any Thai Geary and Shask Fit Trucka Ellen or Brackney into her in the Himmery shot and Balakan it. Then she'd Ethel Sarah Lee Road and Palakan and Glock and she'd lash and Cool Vala. So she had of it your foot on that for fair. Oh, we should be looking again up there. Harry Jesus be gone in.
Yeah.
You're a beautiful lame to stock Aaron Malak and
5 serving 14.
Now can Mayo really fight back here now and give it a good go? They got one ace when they went in the last time. Need to be getting more. Oh, beautiful shot by Paddy. Lovely shot.
And Balak and 10-5 at home.
6 serving 14.
Nor Bantu saw that on Tave Love, not how you're reaching a clock. It here. Usanji hard of it on with Fuinov. So she shinkane all trajecta.
Oh, very clever play.
Second hand. 6 serving 14.
Oh, lovely.
Side away.
So they got just one ace there again that time. So they're just
14 serving 6.
Must have come a froster hand Shane there, Mayo Reach. Later.
It's a tough one.
Beidir rudder one gur féidir le Mayo dhéanamh níos éifeachtaí an seo ná beidir
Mark.
an líor de etils began níos mó tá sé fágáil an chuid
15.
cool.
Yeah.
Agus úsáid
15 serving 6.
sin dhéanamh. Scéal difriúil é nóir tá ónach lecha mar tá sé géirí ga ceann amara. Pás ionta go dhéanamh lóach. An táta chun an balla cúla í úsáid dear chun an líor cumad ar an mala. Cair tú an líor a críicnú.
Yeah.
Mark, 16, serving 6.
I just think as well, like, Dublin are really showing their experience. They're just
Shot
calm,
ball.
collective, taking
Ciara
it shot by shot, point by point, like, no pressure, just, you know, they're just used to being here, Carol and Don. They have so much experience.
Ba bhaid ón agus Carol an sásta leis an gluidir seo mar banú getastú go lua ach dairí dó seach am slán as a rís an bailach sin an bhfuil Paddy ag búd an líró tá sé éféict a cear glórach. No, if Gagler and Wilche can in a Gertu ag búd an líró an bailach sin.
Mark.
Tá sé gúsáid a bhádhó bhéid fiúna faoine.
17, serving 6.
I know, just, I suppose so. It's just the frustration of that serve as well. It's
Better,
probably,
better.
you know. Something they'll learn from them, definitely, as they go along. They're
Well,
young lads yet.
Well, look, is Ionad an taithí an Cliath seo an the Mayo agus Cliath
Oh, lovely shot back there.
agus Carl Brown lán sásta le sin sin ag bantúsa as an taobh.
Mark, 18.
Yes, an sin. Nar bantúsa as an
Serving
taobh
6.
an sin glachan sé an lús go léir as an líró agus maríonn sé.
Oh, beautiful.
Is sin a bhad níos fearr chun é Mayo nar dhéanamh tú.
Beautiful. Beautiful shot.
Nar glachan tú an líró
hardly
agus
set,
í
is it?
gatals. Nar bantúsa as an valley.
Yeah, we can if you want. Someone got a brush there.
Yeah,
Just jersey and
tá
bit
cum
of
abáid
change.
ar Carl alright.
Yeah, he does look a bit botched. Look botched.
We get it.
Oh,
it's
scuba
it's
tá
a
tá
floor. I
I
thought he was changing his jersey. to
Yeah,
be honest.
Vin Curry cap may come on.
That's what I thought.
Darren go will
Because his
Afro.
gloves look so good as well, and actually so does
A
mine.
rare blend of coffee.
Ach rud an atá Dermot Dane tugad there ashing.
Can't
Tá
hear.
sé dig búcan so céim fág an neachróg siad a quid AD nó a lábhí.
Call the score out, we're on now. Start the row.
18-6.
Who was that?
Yeah, Carl was serving, I think.
Yeah, agus
No, I think it's his serve. I think it's Owen's serve.
agus Kyle
Oh, sorry.
It's Owen's
Oh,
serve,
I
yeah.
forgot about- Yeah, sorry.
Kyle Baile actually on rally shin.
Sorry,
Yeah.
yeah. They're all
Scores
they're all having a good
18,
laugh at it
76.
anyway. He's taking all that.
Tá físigh tafta ar aon nós am rud é nach rud ar cínta céhú an rally there. Shot leiste eile ó sin. Is fecin me Carla tort búla bus though. I mean on pass.
Mark, 19, serving
Like,
6.
just, again, it's just the awareness of where they are in the court, and then the accuracy of being able to shoot where there's space. Again, great play, great play. One left. Let's see, is this going to be it?
20, game ball, serving 6.
Lie down. Me all Leicester pushing in.
Look,
Well,
I think it's going to be an amazing game with Meath and Dublin next weekend. I think it's going to be a brilliant All-Ireland
Yeah,
final.
taking all being atmosphere into
Oh.
in the
Oh.
Cliath shin. So by me a rash is shocked in the one ella, agus by Cliath na mara and chomai the Kirky and I couldn't kill Cliath. They're the shocked to Cogan. Agus Marcel doing an ish Baile Cliath in I couldn't me Cliath na var. So good maha with us fet lives our clue shot and snakely lack Cliath quid Crave Shaska Féitrog Fe Cahar. Mr. John Brannock and Cle Ashing O'Keefe. Germag of Sofetlin on Creatorx. Feckamid Shiverish and Della Shop which Hugan Slongafull.
You know what you take to do?